Hi everyone, you're coming across this video before the 8th of August because now you're going to get lucky. So if you've seen a lot of these videos and clippings now on the internet being across, it says it's the Lion's Gate and it's the 8th of August. So what exactly is the Lion's Gate? So the Lion's Gate is basically a portal that opens out because you have the energy of 8, the 8th of August 2024. So it's an 8, 8 and 8. It is the infinity portal and it is the abundance portal. It's time to start manifesting. So when you say the Lion's Gate, if you look at it scientifically also, it's the sun, the moon and the Sirius star which comes together in a straight line. So because of those powers, the energy of the universe or the vibration of the universe even increases more, and your potential to start manifesting in your being increases as well. So if you want to know how to tap into that abundance portal and how to start manifesting what you want, I've shared the link below. You can start getting in touch with me, and we would be doing this on the 7th, 8th and the 9th of August. So looking forward to meet you all. You're going to get this opportunity just this time of the year, and it's not going to come back right till the year 2033. To make use of this, wishing you all the very best and take care.